Oh, hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, I got a question for you. How many of you watched the 2023 Day 4 highlights of the Mosconi Cup? Did any of you see this shot executed by Albin Ouschan? It was something. Let's talk about it. Is that you, bud? Hey, bud. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So let's talk about the shot that Albin executed during the high pressure Mosconi Cup. So to execute a shot like this, you need to have many things in your tool bag. You need the proper conditions, you need the proper equipment, but you need felt. The new felt that they were playing on probably aided in this shot, but you also need determination, intestinal fortitude, the ability to handle pressure, and most of all, panache. And obviously Albin Ouschan has panache because he executed a shot that floored the announcers. Carl Boyes, I think, was on the mic and he lost his mind. And as well he should have. I was sitting in my chair watching it and I was like, whoa, that was awesome. So I'm gonna show you what he did here, but quickly we're gonna talk about it. So the cue ball where he's left is very, very close to the rail. If I look down right now, maybe just over a quarter, but not quite 3/8. Very close to the rail. For him to shoot the 3 ball and juice back to this ball down here, which he needs shape on, it was a tall order, right? But guess what happens? Probably did already. He executes. Let's take a look. The footage you're about to see is from Matchroom on YouTube. Thank you very much for the usage. I'm gonna put the link in my description below if you wanna watch the full 40 minutes of Day 4. I'm pretty jealous of their subscriber count. So I think they're close to 350,000 subscribers. And maybe you could do me a favor and before you watch this footage, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification for me to help my channel out, because then that tells YouTube that you're enjoying what I'm doing. But okay, without further ado, Albin Ouschan, Mosconi Cup, and what I call the Albin Ouschan Mosconi screw shot. Here you go. My face. That was awesome. Awesome. So what I think we should try to do is just get this challenge out there. Let's make it a challenge. Let's call it the Albin Ouschan Mosconi screw shot. Okay. So I've executed it on my 7-foot. I took some footage of it. I'm going to show you in a bit. I also went down to Top Shots, Billiards and Ping Pong here in Edmonton, Alberta, and executed it on the 9-foots down there. And if you wait to the very end, you'll see my old friend James McBride. He was in the pool hall, so I asked him to come over and try it. And he got it pretty quick. If there's one thing about James McBride, he always had the sauce. He was always very juicy. So stay tuned for that footage. But let's talk about how we're gonna set this up. So I'm going to put on the screen right now the actual layout. It's on the screen right now. So please take a screenshot of that. And then you can zoom in. And all I did was that I went to the table, I had my phone, and I basically measured by the diamonds where it had to be. And then I put down reinforcements on the table, right? Because chances are you're not going to execute it like Albin did, first try. So put reinforcements down so you can give yourself a few shots at this, because it's not as easy as it looks, okay? So there's that. That is the Albin Ouschan Screw Shot Challenge. Mosconi Screw Shot Challenge, okay? So what I want you to do is share this video. Get the video out there on Facebook, on all on Facebook pages. Do it on Instagram, share the link. Let's share this and let's get it out there. The Albin Ouschan Mosconi Screw Shot Challenge. Okay, everybody? Without further ado, let's take a look at some of that footage. And in the meantime, and in between time, I'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks, guys. Ooh. 7 foot. Not as much power as Albin, but on to the 9 foots.
Man, he only took you 4 or 5 tries? 4 or 5?
Yeah, not bad.